Lou, this is the coolest place we've ever been. This is insane. Like, you have to come to Portugal. This place is crazy. Like, just built right into the mountain. I don't understand. You don't even feel like it's been like changed at all. And you just like look right here and the reflection, it's just like, wow. How am I gonna draw this?
Whoa! Good morning, Odie. Always read the plaque. Can you read that word, Dana?
Passadiços do Paiva. I don't know if that's right, but that is where we are. And from my research, apparently it is the third most beautiful hike in the world, which is really exciting because I feel like we haven't been outside in a while, and it will be fun to spend the day in nature, away from the van. And I'm not sure what I'm going to draw. It is day 21 of Inktober, which feels crazy.
Alright, that is the end of the trail, so we're just gonna walk all the way back.
This time, it's gonna be super uphill. And I have to draw still.
And back we go. 5 more miles.
It's really nice. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, now it's raining.
We're walking into a storm.
I just heard thunder too.
No, you didn't, really?
Yeah.
Should we go back?
No.
Oh boy. We're not gonna be able to draw in the rain. Uh-oh. Things just got a little more complicated. Well, I said I wanted to go swimming.
Yeah.
But this will do for our shower for today.
1,000. 1,001. 2, 3.
So it's like
with a Stairmaster.
I was just gonna say, I feel like I'm on a Stairmaster. Lou, our brains are synced.
That's what happens when you live in a 2-meter space.
It's true. All our time together. Are you still having fun?
Yeah.
Me too. Whew. Whew.
Bom bom. Here we go, Dana.
Okay.
Ooh. Last flight of stairs. I'm out of breath.
Finish strong! Champion!
You are the champion. Any words?
You should go do that. That was really cool. I loved the rain. You think we're in the clear?
Yeah, you want to draw?
I think this is our final hope, Lou. Oh yeah. I think this will work.
Yeah, you gonna draw this?
Yeah. The light is good.
We are finished with the hike pretty much.
The hike is almost done.
That's Odie over there.
And it's not raining right now. So no time for pre-drawing on this one.
So you've just hiked 4 hours, you've had 1 bowl of oatmeal and 1 apple, and now you're gonna do your drawing.
Don't drop the pen. I'm like so shaky from all that hiking. Whew, leg workout. Yeah!
Challenging.
Yeah, it is getting crazy. Which way are these lines going? I don't know. Definitely like takes the staircase from last video to the next level.
Yeah,
I'm just like, what is happening? So, like the lines like come at you and then they go up, and I'm trying to do that technique where you put the pen in front and then you can see where the line is going, but I feel like you get the gist, right? Okay, now let's do a tree. Not a bad place to draw from. You see that? There's rainbows at the end of this day.
Looks so good, Dana.
I had to switch to a faster tree texture. This side and that side are a little different, but that's a wrap.
Yeah, you did it.
That was a big day.
That was a big day.
That was fun, Lou. I like hiking with you. This journal is taking a beating.
Thanks, David.
Yeah, thank you, David, for this gift. It's like the best journal of my life. It's like crazy, look at this. It's just like every page is a memory. Right? I might have to do this forever.
I don't know if I can make videos like this forever.